1. 1972 Ford F-250 Classic Truck, $3,000, Costa Mesa, California. The 1972 Ford F-250 Ranger Camper Special is a classic project truck for enthusiasts looking to restore or rebuild. It features an original 8-cylinder engine and rear-wheel drive, RWD, configuration. The truck's paint shows a nice patina with some surface rust, but it's still a solid starting point. The engine is no longer operational and will require a replacement. The transmission is automatic, and the clean title adds peace of mind to potential buyers. This truck has strong restoration potential with some work. It is located in Costa Mesa, California. 2. 1982 C10 Short Bed, $3,500, Bellingham, Washington. This 1982 Chevy C10 Short Bed truck is a versatile project for those looking to rebuild. It has a 350 small block engine, though the engine has a knocking sound and may need a rebuild or replacement. The truck features an automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive. The truck's interior is missing some parts, including the bench seat, and the exterior has rust on the cab corners with some body dents. However, with some work, this C10 can become a great classic truck, located in Bellingham, Washington. 3. 1977 Ford F-150 Ranger Super Cab, $3,800, Bellingham, Washington. This 1977 Ford F-150 Ranger Super Cab is a rare find with a short bed and solid body condition. The truck runs on a 351M V8 engine, offering a good base for restoration. It has new tires, rally rims, and a new rear gas tank. The heater core has been replaced, but it may need further work to bring it back to its prime. Located in Bellingham, Washington, this truck could be restored into a valuable classic. 4. 1978 Chevy C10, $5,000, Dewey, Arizona. The 1978 Chevy C10 is a great restoration project, offering a straight body and a V8 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor. While it's not currently running, it offers a clean start for anyone looking to work on a classic truck. The interior is in decent condition, and it comes with factory AC. Located in Dewey, Arizona, this truck offers potential for restoration at a reasonable price. 5. 1973 Dodge W100 4x4 with plow, $2,500, Spokane, Washington. This 1973 Dodge W100 4x4 Adventurer Sport is a solid off-road truck. The Chrysler 360 engine runs well, and the vehicle features a 727 transmission, a NP205 divorce transfer case, and a Dana 44 front axle. It also includes a hydraulic plow setup, though it may need some work for full functionality. The truck is ideal for someone looking for a workhorse with restoration potential. Located in Spokane, Washington. 6. 1964 Ford F100 Flatbed Custom Cab, $3,500, Tehachapi, California. The 1964 Ford F100 is a classic truck with a flatbed and a 4-speed manual transmission. While the truck runs smoothly, the flatbed needs finishing, and the interior requires work. The truck has over 200,000 miles on the odometer, but it's still a solid base for a custom build or restoration project. It's priced at $3,500, making it an affordable option for those looking to restore an iconic Ford pickup. Located in Tehachapi, California. 7. 1964 Chevy C20 Custom Cab, $7,995, Collinsville, Oklahoma. This 1964 Chevy C20 Custom Cab offers a 307-350 engine combo with an automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives well with recent upgrades like a new fuel system, alternator, radiator, and more. The body has some rust, particularly in the rockers, and the bed needs attention due to rot. However, the truck has solid mechanics and electrical systems, making it a good candidate for further restoration. Located in Collinsville, Oklahoma. 8. 1976 Datsun 620, $3,800, Oregon City, Oregon. The 1976 Datsun 620 is a rare find, especially in good condition. It's powered by a 4-cylinder engine and features a 5-speed manual transmission. The truck has been well maintained, with recent updates to the brake system, carburetor, and alternator. With a rebuilt title, this truck offers great potential for a reliable restoration project. Located in Oregon City, Oregon, this truck is perfect for those who love small classic pickups. 9. 1972 Chevy C20, 7000 at Alameda, California. This 1972 Chevy C20 is in excellent condition, with a new 700 R4 transmission, rear axle, and various newer parts. The truck features an 8-cylinder engine, but the motor needs replacement. It's been well maintained, and with some work on the engine, this truck can be a fantastic restoration project. It also comes with Flowmaster exhaust pipes and headers. Located in Alameda, California, it offers great value for restoration. 10. 1978 Chevy Custom Deluxe C30 1-ton custom flatbed, $6,000, Apache Junction, Arizona. This 1978 Chevy Custom Deluxe C30 offers a 350 motor and a custom-made flatbed. With approximately 240,000 miles, the truck has had various upgrades, including a newer carburetor, radiator, and fuel pump. The motor burns oil and has some issues, including a leaking power steering gearbox and worn-out U-joints. Still, it's a great project for someone willing to restore this classic truck. Located in Apache Junction, Arizona. 11. 1975 Chevy C20 3/4 ton, $6,000. This 1975 Chevy C20 3/4 ton is a solid workhorse, powered by a 350 engine and automatic transmission. It has been sitting for 4 years, but it runs and drives. The truck also comes with parts to convert it to a 5-lug system. There's some rust, but nothing too severe. It's an excellent project truck at a reasonable price. Located in Carson City, Nevada. 12. 1976 Chevrolet 3/4 ton 2500 PU, 1250 Deer Park, Washington. The 1976 Chevrolet 2500 is a solid, low-mileage truck with a 350 engine and automatic transmission. The truck runs well with power steering and brakes, but it has typical Chevy rust. Despite the rust, it's a good candidate for a restoration project. At $1,250, it's priced well for someone looking for a budget-friendly classic pickup, located in Deer Park, Washington. 13. 1981 Ford C8000 Cat Diesel Dump Bed C-Series, $6,000, Thousand Oaks, California. The 1981 Ford C8000 is a unique classic, a cab-over truck with a Cat 3208 diesel engine and Allison MT 653 automatic transmission. The truck features a 16-foot Fontaine dump bed and air brakes. It's in running and driving condition, with some minor rust spots on the bed and front-end collision damage. This truck is ideal for those looking for a heavy-duty classic with work potential. Located in Thousand Oaks, California.